Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Quite Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teaching Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales the application knowledge helped for yourself protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 8 Golden International Daily Actions original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. The requirement for participating in to learn and obtain effect and so on. We are already put all the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now, we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First of all, we teach leg action. Wait, put the desk leg right, and then switch. Wait, move to desk leg right. Yes, that's for whole leg actions. Now we do 2 times leg actions. Yes, just be careful, the leg is raised, cannot kick. Okay, raise. And the toe straight. Cannot made that way. Okay, straight. Look at the side. Yes, cannot do that. That's not good. Just yes. We do 2 times leg action again. Very good. Now we will teach hand action. Hand action have 2 different action. First action is hand finger close, open, close, open, that side, not that side, that side. Yes, and close as leg side, and middle, center line, not straight, center line, and back center line. Now we do 2 times about the hand action. Then move up, and close down. And finally also open, down, close. The hand move up, close. Look at the side. Yes. Okay, now we do 2 times about hand actions. Very good. Now we connect hand and leg together, okay, 2 times. Very good. Now we will teach you second kind hand action. Just turn, palm turn, okay, and same. Open, close, up, open, close, up, up, up. Look at the side. Yes. 2 sides also is in the center line. Back also center line. Okay. Okay, now we do second kind hand action 2 times again. Very good. Now we connect leg and hand together 2 times. Very good. Now we connect 2 kind hand action and leg action. But we need to count. We choose 2 kind language, English and Han. Somebody say, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish language. Only need 2 kind language. Why? Because we need to protect our trach and lung, far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, and so on, many diseases. So we need 2 kind of language, different language to count. And also, we should eyes look straight and with smiling face, head think how can make your action correct. Okay, now everybody follow me to do 4 times and 2 kind hand action and leg action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up. 3, 4. Very good. Do the action, couple things we need know. Number 1, the feet is raised. Cannot kick. Okay, just raise. No power. And the toe, big toe, the feet must straight. Cannot do that way. Okay, just straight. That way. Yeah. Number 2, feet touch floor lightly. Cannot make any noise, any sound. Number 3, keep your body always upright and avoid leaning forward and backward. And the hand from body side as close as, and cross center line. Cannot that way, center line. And same. Back same. And the finger open, close, open, close. Top, open, middle, close, down, open. Yes. Okay, now we do 4 times again. We need to count, choose the English and Han. Eyes look straight. Smiling face and head think. Make self-action correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Very good. Then correct knowledge. Must correct knowledge. You can discover, protect yourself health to easy. At home, every day, you just do Golden International Daily Actions. Of course, you got healthy, enjoying your wonderful life.